let's start. First I will bleach my hair. So thank you for my friend out there giving me a chance to have a bleach. I don't need to I think this is enough. Okay, so I mix 9% of my developer or oxidant. I don't scare because before I do this on my salon, so I know how to prepare and how to do it. But doing alone is not too easy because you know you need to analyze the hair, and also I can do it on my back because it's too hard, but I'm trying. And then mix it now. It's not enough. It's not enough. Okay. I have a lot of hair color remain, so that's why I bleach my hair to getting more white to achieve my wanted hair color. So I put some magic to not damage my hair. Oh, I miss this smell. Before I do mixing hair color, the bleach on my salon. I think this is okay. So if you mix this, oh, I miss doing this. Okay, before you're going to do your hair color, you need bowl, color brush, pin, and of course cape to protect your skin. And that's it. This is it. The smell. I remember and I miss the smell. So I do with my cape. It's getting hot. Join me when I'm doing this. Woo! Okay. I need to separate my... It's hard for me to do this on my back. So, just wait. I will do on the front of the mirror. But I need to... Okay. Woohoo! This is it! I will turn it you back, guys, because I need it in front of the mirror. Okay?
Meanwhile, a few moments later.
Okay, guys, this is it. I think it's not a perfect bleaching now because I'm doing it alone, but it's okay. It's for me. It's getting new hair color. It's not darker. It's not a problem. Then Later, I will put some another bleach to those not lifting. So I'm trying to put more after uh 30 or 45 minutes. I will leave it on and then I will turn it back to you guys. This is it, the first application. Uh, there's a black pa and I need to lip more. Lip more. Okay. I will be back. Look, my hand. I don't have a glove. 45 minutes. This is it. That is overcome of my bleach. So it's not too easy to apply alone, but it's not bad. Then I will reach out this and then after applying the color I want. So guys, stay tuned. I don't know when my back is all fully covered, but it's okay. It's no problem. I just want to get a new color, not black at all, because I don't want black. So it's been a long time that I love fashion colors. So even even the lockdown, I check my old stock and I really have. So I do it alone again for second time around this. And then but in other people I can apply properly because it's really hard to apply alone on your own. So stay tuned what its outcome.
5 minutes later.
I experiment the color and I want violet, silver violet. So I have here 10 10-0 and then I will put my Igora 811 and then power mix of small amount of violet. So let's do it. Okay, wait for a while, then we will go to apply this hair color. Ready guys, I need to section my hair first. Okay. Okay. We need to apply at the back first before on our front. So Okay. So let's start! Okay. I do it 45 minutes. 45 minutes after. All entire two. Yeah. It's hard to do it, but I'm happy because it's this violet. Silver violet. Achieve
Eventually.
it! Woohoo! This is the final retouch. As you can see, it's not bad for the first coloring. From my root is so very dark, so that I can achieve the whiter compare on my edge, because the edge is already treated. So look, if there's all white in bleach, I achieved this hair color, but it's okay, it's not bad. I have ombre look now compared on dark. I love it. Ooh. Thank you guys for joining me on my hair coloring. Okay, thank you so much. It's been 4 hours. Do it at home. So, if you are new here on my channel and you like this content, thank you so much. And please don't forget to click my subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and most especially my notification bell to keep updated on my new uploaded video and all of my activity on my channel. Thank you so much for loving me. Bye everyone. God bless.